Fashion resellers, stop losing buyers to poor presentation and slow customer service while you are manually creating listings and chasing feedback. AI-powered resellers are building fashion empires right now. Here's how the top clothing sellers actually dominate eBay. The most successful clothing resellers did not build their empire and sold 129,000 plus orders by just working harder. They solved the same challenges that are crushing your growth right now. Right now, you're being stuck writing hundreds of clothing descriptions that sound too generic. Your titles do not rank in search, and that is because they are missing key SEO elements. Your product photos have messy backgrounds and they just scream amateur. Seasonal inventory becomes impossible to manage as you scale. So every amateur-looking listing that you post loses to professional sellers. Every poor SEO title will lose visibility, and every unprofessional photo will push the buyers that are already there to competitors that have a better presentation. 3D Sellers transforms fashion resellers into professional operations with cutting-edge AI that actually understands e-commerce. Our AI generates compelling titles that actually rank higher in search results because it knows exactly what buyers are looking for. You will get professional item descriptions that will highlight the fabric, fit, and style in a language that will convert visitors into buyers. But here's where it gets really powerful. Our AI creates SEO meta descriptions and also mobile descriptions that will boost your visibility across all devices. So smart SEO keyword generation means that your listings will be found by the right customers at the right time. Even the product photos that you have right now will become professional with AI background removal that makes every item studio quality. Your customer service becomes proactive instead of reactive. Automated feedback reminders will boost your ratings by 50% without you having to lift a finger. Smart auto messaging will handle any size-related messages and also shipping updates instantly. So when any complex issue arises, our integrated help desk will turn every single inquiry into organized tickets with full team access and role-based permissions. The results speak for themselves. Professional clothing resellers are already using AI, and because of that, they are scaling past the manual sellers. So while you are typing your descriptions one by one, they are processing hundreds of items with automations that are working around the clock. Test 3D Sellers for free for 7 days. No credit card required. Experience AI that generates titles, descriptions, SEO keywords, and also removes backgrounds automatically. Try automated feedback reminders that will build your reputation and watch your reselling business transform from a hobby to an empire. Because the fashion reselling game is changing rapidly and you don't want to get left behind. 3D Sellers, the AI-powered advantage for serious fashion resellers.